Although we all struggled in 2020 with COVID, at Jaqua Realtors, we remarkably achieved some amazing accomplishments and experienced some milestones we've never seen in the history of the company. We're excited for all that we did in 2020.
Opened a new
office in Hastings.
We expanded our lakeshore presence in Southwest Michigan with our Saugatuck Douglas office.
Helped 3,751 clients.
their real estate needs. $869,874,693 in closed sales.
Placed 76 tenants in. Long-term rentals.
236 homes.
Managed monthly.
Booked 2,984 nights in.
Vacation rental reservations.
Added 33 agents to our team.
Held 570 hours
Of educational.
Sessions and trainings.
Assisted and raised donations for.
Delivered some.
Holiday cheer.
We are prepared to
Make a difference in 2021.